Good morning and welcome to our first video in the book of Excel International GCSE 9 to 1 Mathematics A. This is the students book 2 and we are going to explain the whole book in this project. And in this first video we want to explain example 1 in the very first topic of the book, that is number 6. And the question goes like, as you can see now on the slides of the PowerPoint, the cost of a phone call is directly proportional to its length. The cost of a phone call is directly proportional to its length. Let us start at that point. So the cost is directly proportional to the length. That is how we write the statement of proportionality. This is called the symbol of proportionality, and this is a variable. The cost will change as the length of the call changes. But the symbol of proportionality is always substituted with or by an equal sign followed by a constant of proportionality k. So in this case, we can actually rewrite the whole or the same statement as follows. We can rewrite it as follows. The cost is equals to KL. And we have been given some details. We are told that the cost and the length, a 3 minutes call, this is the length, 3 minutes, is costing $4.2. $4.2. A 3 minute call is costing $4.2. Now, let us go and substitute this information in the formed equation so that we can actually get the constant of proportionality. How do we do that? So 4.2, which is actually the cost, is equals to K3. And you can also write it in terms of 4.2 is equals to 3K. Now, what we need to do is to get the value of K, and we can get K by dividing both sides by 3, so that we can say 4.2 divided by 3 is actually 1.4. So K is equals to 1.4. That is the value of K, the constant of proportionality. Now, with that, then we can go and answer the question. The first part of the question, part A, what is the cost of an 8-minute call? 8-minute call. Now, we have the cost, which is in question, and we have the length, which is now equals to 8 minutes. So we just have to substitute this information into the formula, this formula. The cost is going to be K, which is 1.4 multiplied by 8. And it's just as easy as that. 1.4 times 8. That is the cost, $11.2. So the cost is $11.2. That is the answer to part A of the question. That is part A of the question. Part B of the question, a call cost $23.1. How long is it? A call cost, now, in this case, we have the cost, which is 23.1. The length is what we are calculating. Again, substituting this information in the formula, we have 23.1 is equals to K, which is still 1.4, times L. It is L we are looking for. We don't know L. So how do we get L? We have to divide both sides by 1.4. 1.4. And after doing that, we realize that our L, 23.1 divide by 1.4, and we get our answer 16.5 minutes. L is equals to 16.5 minutes. And that is just the answer to part B. So subscribe, follow, share, and of course comment, so that we can move together and be on the lookout for explanation of the whole book in this particular project. Thank you so much.